Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. The situation is still unchanged, very slow price action. That's just the nature of the crypto market at the moment. These quick pumps or breakdowns and then days of just consolidation and sideways action. Still, we only have 3 waves up off the low. Could easily be a wave B or maybe even a wave 4, which then breaks down again at the moment. Until we have 5 waves, from an analysis point of view, we cannot confirm a low in place. Yeah, the analysis is quite clear in that regard. So we just need those 5 waves to confirm that a lasting low has been established on the 17th of August. To get there, what do we need in terms of conditions fulfilled? That's what it's about. What are the conditions that need to be fulfilled for this 5th wave to happen? As I said to you before, it could be that ETH needs or is going to get 2 more highs. So 1 more high in wave 3, which is getting less likely now, especially if we get 1 more low. But this is still possible. It could still give us 1 more high in the wave 3, then a wave 4 breakdown or correction, and then a wave 5, or it goes directly higher. Even though it would be nice and clear if it gave us 1 more high in wave 3 first. But Bitcoin, for example, doesn't seem to want to go that way. So Bitcoin's potential was also there for 1 more high in a 3rd wave, which it still can do, to be honest, but it's coming down quite deep for that now. So anyway, this is still a potential. So 1 more high or 2 more highs. We talked about that in the previous video. At the moment, I am watching if this is already the wave 4, however. Support remains at 1650. That's the critical support. And 1650 is very relevant because a wave 4 that goes below that level, the 61.8 retracement, is very unlikely a wave 4. We cannot really call it a wave 4 then anymore, or at least we can't really defend that idea. It's too deep, that retracement, for a wave 4. Also in a diagonal. Even though I have to say, in diagonals, the Fibonacci retracement zones have rather a lower likelihood of working out. They are less reliable. So pay attention to that. In diagonals, however, very often you see trend lines. The trend lines have a meaning. Now, we don't really have a very well-defined trend line, but maybe pay attention to this one. I mean, it's a bit subjective. We don't really have a very clear trend line here. Maybe that's even the most reliable one here, where we have 1 touch point here, 2, 3, 4 touch points. So yeah, pay attention to the trend line here, but it doesn't really matter too much because the support area is defined anyway between 1650 and 1687. However, you need to understand that below 1650, even though the blue wave count will get less likely, it's not going to be invalidated. Okay, it's only going to be invalidated below 1624. And if we zoom in a little bit, if we pay attention now to the subwave structure, I mean, in the blue wave count, if we just take the blue wave count, try to understand, okay, what do we have here from a microstructure point of view, then this could be definitely an A wave, this here a B wave, nice 3-wave rally today. And if we now see a breakdown below 1698, which is the intraday low, no, it's actually yesterday's low, then we could be coming down in a C wave of wave 4. Alternatively, if the green wave count is playing out, yeah, then this is a wave 1 down, a wave 2 up, a wave 3 down. Then we should see a wave 4 up and another low. And then we have some clarity that the green wave count is playing out if we see 5 waves below resistance. Okay, so it's obviously that way around as well. 5 waves below resistance would confirm that the C wave is playing out here, yeah, which could lead to another low into the $1,300 to $1,200 region. At the moment, either way, we cannot confirm a low in place, so we're simply watching at the moment if support holds. ETH seems to be holding a little bit better than Bitcoin at the moment, but in the end they are both approaching their support areas. We can't confirm a local low in place yet, and also we cannot confirm a lasting low in place yet, so it wouldn't be much of a surprise if we still see another low below the low of the 17th of August, but maybe the next few days will give us further clarity. That's my update about ETH. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.